How you doing? Dave Barodinelli here with MarineMax Boston, and today I'm going to take you through the new 2024 Sea Ray 250 SDX Outboard.
Starting at the back of this 250 SDX, this boat is powered with the V8 250 Mercury Verado, which is a great engine package for this boat. In the aft here, this is a great entertaining area. You'll notice you've got USB ports back here, and this rear transom seat, by just opening a latch, you'll see it's on sliders, and this will move forward manually. Port side, it's got a big L-shaped settee here, and on the port side, you'll notice the passenger seat will go forward or aft, the backrest, so that you can entertain, and that goes the same for the helm seat. You'll notice that the backrest goes forward or aft. So if those are both facing forward, you could have 10 to 12 people comfortably in a 25-foot boat. As you come to the helm, really nicely appointed helm, acrylic dash, Simrad GPS chop plotter, as well as all your engine management. So you'll notice there's no gauge clusters or any cluster at all up here. Of course, your digital throttle and shift for the Mercury Verado. Now the 250 SDX is a bit unique where you don't walk up the center, you actually walk up the port side, and they've put the door in the center of the boat, which, as you'll see in the head, gives you a lot more room downstairs than you normally would on a traditional port side head. And in the bow area, you'll see you've got a filler cushion forward, and that does get removed so that if you need to get to your anchor locker, you're not climbing over your cushions.
Thanks again for watching our video today on the new Sea Ray 250 SDX Outboard here at MarineMax Boston. For more info, please give me a call at 401-569-3874. Thanks again.